Good morning everyone. Now again we are going to discuss some more questions where that is based on the trigonometrical angles. Now see, this is the question. If sine a plus b is equals to 1 and cos a minus b is equals to root 3 by 2, find the value of a and b. So see how to solve this type of question. When we will take sine a plus b is equal to 1, so we take both the sides at sine. This value is sine, so here also we will write sine a plus b is equal to sine 1. Now a plus b, value of 1 means 1 will come in which case? So we have studied that the value of sine 90 degree, sine 90 degree, the value will come as 1. Same case we will do here also. Cos a minus b, here we will take cos root 3 by 2. So a minus b, so cos root 3 by 2 will come in which case? In the root 3 by 2 it will come, that will be your 30 degree. So a plus b, one equation we have got, a plus b is equals to 90. Second equation we have got a minus b is equals to 30 degree. Now we solve both the equations simultaneously. So a plus b is equals to 90 degree and a minus b is equals to 30 degree. So when we will solve, plus b and minus b cancel. So a plus a will be 2a, 90 plus 30, that is 120. So value of a 120 upon 2, that is 60 degree. Now we put the value of a in equation number 1, or you can put in equation number 2. So here we put, that will be 60 degree plus b is equals to 90 degree. So value of b 90 degree minus 60 degree. So value of b will be your 30 degree. So value of a is 60 and value of b will be your 30 degree. Now see next question. Now see here, next question is given as question number 2. If sine a minus b is equal to 1 by 2 and cos a plus b is equal to 1 by 2, find a and b. So here again we have to calculate the value of a and b. So again we will do the same thing. Sine a minus b is equal to sine 1 by 2. So a minus b. So sine 1 by 2 value is coming in which case? So sine 30 degree, the value is 1 by 2. So we write here 30 degree. Now cos a plus b is equal to cos 1 by 2. So a plus b is equal to cos 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is again, that will come in the case of 60 degree. It is coming in the case of 60 degree, because value of sine 30 degree will be 1 by 2 and value of cos 60 degree will be your 1 by 2. Now we solve both the equations simultaneously, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So a minus b is equal to 30 degree and a plus b is equal to 60 degree. So from here minus b plus b cancel. So 2a is equal to 90 degree, value of a will be your 45 degree. Now this value of a will put either in equation number 1 or equation number 2. So we put in equation number 1 here. So 45 degree minus b is equal to 30 degree. 45 degree minus 30 degree is equal to b. So value of b will be your 15 degree. So value of A is 45 and value of B is 15 degree. Now let us see next question. Now question number 3rd. So question number 3rd is given as taking A is equals to 60 degree and B is equals to 30 degree, verify that sine A minus B is equal to sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B. Now in this question we have to verify left hand side is equals to right hand side. So first we take here as LHS. So sine A minus B, A is 60 minus B is 30. So 60 minus 30, so sine 30 degree. So value of sine 30 degree will be your 1 by 2. Now we have to prove RHS equal to 1 by 2. So now we take here right hand side, sine A, that is sine 60 degree into cos B, that is cos 30 degree, minus cos A, that is cos 60 degree, into sine B, that is sine 30 degree. So sine 60 degree value will be your root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degree value will be your again root 3 by 2 minus cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2, sine 30 degree value is 1 by 2. Now root 3 into root 3 will be 3, 2 into 2 will be 4, minus 1 upon 4. It will come 3 minus 1, 2 upon 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is 1 by 2. So you can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side, so it is verified. So in this way we are going to solve the questions of trigonometrical angles. Now see one more question based on this. Now see next question, question number 4th here. Question number 4th is given as if 6x is equal to sec theta and 6 upon x is equal to tan theta, find 9x square minus 1 upon x square. So here we have to calculate the value of 9x square minus 1 upon x square. So what we'll do here, just see here. First of all, suppose this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So first of all we are going to add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So adding equation 1 and equation 2. Why I am adding, that I will explain you in the steps. So first of all add 6x. So 6 will take common, in the bracket x plus 1 by x is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Same way we subtracting equation 1 and 2. First of all we will add and then we will subtract. When you will subtract, it will come 6 into x minus 1 by x is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. Now you have seen that first of all we have added and then we have subtracted. Suppose this is equation number 3, this is our equation number 4. Now what we do, we multiply both the equation number 3 and equation number 4. So when we multiply equation 3 and 4, so 6 into 6 will be 36, x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. You will find a formula of a plus b into a minus b. So formula is a square minus b square, that is x square minus 1 by x square is equal to sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Again you will find a formula of a plus b into a minus b. It will become a square minus b square. Now into x square minus 1 by x square is equal to, now according to the identity, sec square minus tan square theta will be 1. This value will come as I have discussed some identities in my previous video, you can go through. So value of sec square theta minus tan square theta will be 1. Generally we are knowing sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. This is the identity. When you will transfer this tan square theta, so you will get sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now we need the value of 9. We have to calculate value 9 in bracket x square. Now we can break this 36 as 9 into 4, x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 1. 4 will come down, so 9 x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 1 by 4. We have to calculate this value, so value is 1 by 4 and that will be our final answer. So this is the method to solve these type of questions. Now let us solve one more question based on this method. Now see question number 5th. So question number 5th is given as, if 3x is equal to cosec theta and 3 by x is equal to cot theta, find 3 in bracket x square minus 1 by x square. So we have to calculate the value of 3 x square minus 1 by x square. Now see how to calculate. Again the same thing. This is equation number 1. This is our equation number 2. So first of all we will add both the equation. So adding 1 and 2. So when you will add, so 3x plus 3 upon x. So 3 we will take outside common. Inside the bracket we will get x plus 1 by x is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Now first of all we have added, in second step we will subtract. So subtract 1 and 2. Now when we will subtract, so 3 in bracket x minus 1 by x is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta. So first of all we will add the value. Second step we will subtract the value. Suppose this is our equation number 3, this is our equation number 4. Now in the next step we used to multiply equation 3 and 4. So multiply 3 and 4. When we multiply, so 3 into 3 will be 9, x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x, that is we apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b, that is x square minus 1 by x square, and cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta, again apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b, it will come cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Now you have seen that again according to the identity, when you will go according to the identity, so here 9 x square minus 1 by x square, so identity we are knowing, that is 1 plus cosec, so 1 plus cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta will be equal to cosec square theta. So we are knowing the identity, that is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So when we will transfer this cot square theta on the right hand side, so we will get here cosec square theta minus cot square theta value as 1. So we can put the value as 1. Now 9 you can break 3 into 3, x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 1. So we need value of 3x square minus 1 by x square, so 3 will come down, so 3 into x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 1 by 3, and we have to calculate the value, so answer is 1 by 3. So this is all about your trigonometric angles. In the next video I will come with the next chapter, that will be your trigonometric angles of complementary angles. Thank you.